Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to read the option charts in Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now we are in the learning center of Robinhood. And from here we can learn more about the options and how to read them in Robinhood app. And basically, here we have some key figures that we need to understand. There is the expiration date, and basically each option would have an expiration date. So basically, those are our options that would expire in the 2nd March. And this is the price of the option. This is the strike. We will see it after that. And basically, this is the current stock price. And from here, we will see the out of the money, and in the money. And basically, those are some positions of uh, the options. And basically, as you can see, in the money is the option with the strike price. That means the price of the option that would give you the right trade stock at a better price than the current price of the stock. That means if you buy, and basically we have two main operations. There is the call, which is buy and process, and there is the put, which means the selling process. And basically those are the in the money, and this is the in the money of uh, the buying. Basically you will be needing to buy in a cheaper price and sell in a higher price. So basically this is the most the advantageous price. This is kind of, I would say, the least advantageous price, and it's vice versa for the put, etc. And at the money is the closest price to the current price of the stock. And basically from here you can go to the learning process on the strategies of how you can strategies of option, and basically you will find many strategies that you can use for option trading in Robinhood. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.